The next few minutes are going to be very important to plan what you need to do to avoid the rain or get out and splash around.
That's right. You know, we all have our color-coordinated umbrellas right now.
Yeah, well, I got my red and black ready to go. It's going to rain later in the day. The heaviest rain should be after sunset. There is the threat of thunder. I don't expect any severe weather in Savannah. Okay, from there, it's pretty simple. And here's where the rain is right now. It's starting to form along the Gulf Coast. You can see some of the storms just off the Louisiana coast up into Texas. That's where the upper low is. There's a flow of moisture that's across the top of this storm, too. That's going to enhance its precipitation, but that's going to stay up there. What's down here is what's going to come our way and eventually work its way to the coastal empire. So we'll watch those showers develop. In fact, we may see a pretty sunrise first thing in the morning. See how FutureMax has the clouds building in later in the day, and by the time we get to 4 o'clock, showers are approaching our western counties, and zoom, it comes right through into the evening hours, and it's gone by noon on Sunday. Everything pushes out of the way. Yes, the pink is ice and freezing precipitation, the blue is snow, and that all stays farther to the north, not a part of our forecast at all, and it's clear behind that, so we've got a couple of dry days before the next system starts to organize here in the southern plains. Here, I showed this to you earlier. Let me show it to you again. This is the amount of precipitation that we expect. We haven't seen rain like this since September 2011. We haven't had a rainfall above 1 inch of precipitation. We've got a 3 to 4 dot here in the red, 2 to 3 inches purple, 1 to 2 inches across Savannah, 1 inch of rain expected by 8 o'clock Sunday across our southern counties. And the Storm Prediction Center does have a slight risk or low risk of severe weather to our west. So our western and northern counties may in fact have some issues to deal with there. We'll be here to keep you updated, of course, but nothing at Savannah, and with the clouds build in, we're not going to cool much more from where we are now. Falling now to 53 degrees, 40 back here in States, 46 in Statesboro. They had some clearing skies very briefly. High pressure's moving out of the way. Here comes this system, and it's going to track right across the central portions of Georgia, off the coast at Myrtle Beach, then out it goes into the Atlantic. Notice the word windy. That's a big part of Sunday's forecast with lots of sunshine expected. Next tide high at 5:08, low tide 11:34, and the high and low tides will become critical with this heavier rain. That would put the next high tide about 5:30 Saturday afternoon, low tide when the heaviest rain should be falling late Sunday night. So that's very good. Afternoon's rain's expected for tomorrow with an east breeze. Small craft advisory is in effect for Saturday. So the wet Doppler Max 11 forecast is dry for tonight. Pleasant evening, low of 50 overnight, no problems. 100% chance of rain for tomorrow with thunder possible after sunset. 68 should be the high. Down to 58 tomorrow night, and the best chance of rain Sunday night or Saturday night into Sunday with a 70% chance of showers on Sunday, 72. Then cooler on Monday, 59 for an afternoon high. Dry Tuesday, another chance of showers and perhaps a thunderstorm midweek next week. But it's the rain we're paying extra attention to with the Irish Festival, Film Festival, Book Festival, Southern Women's Show. See you there tomorrow from 2 to 4. Whatever you got planned, grab your umbrella and have a great weekend. And follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather.
All right. Thanks a lot, John.
You're welcome.
And a big night indoors. Lots going on the hardwood.